Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're diving into rate contracts versus scheduling agreements in procurement.
Picture this. One buyer spends 3 days typing 200 purchase orders. Another, done in 3 minutes.
How's that possible? Well, the second buyer literally put their procurement on complete autopilot. See, a rate contract locks in a great discount, but you're still manually placing every single order.
But a scheduling agreement? It locks in the price and a timetable. Goods just ship automatically.
Think of it like a VIP grocery card versus a daily milk subscription. You gotta physically swipe that VIP card, but your 6 a.m. milk just magically appears, right?
Let's look at XYZ Limited. RIA needs exactly 1,000 steel bolts every Monday morning.
With a rate contract, RIA is logging into SAP every single Friday to manually issue release orders.
But with a scheduling agreement, she just enters one delivery schedule for the whole year.
The system alints the vendor automatically. Boom, 0 weekly paperwork for RIA on the dock.
To clear things up, rate contracts give you high flexibility, scheduling agreements give you high automation.
So use rate contracts for unpredictable spares and scheduling agreements to feed continuous factory lines.
Now for auditors, there's a massive red flag here. It's called schedule tampering. This is where a corrupt buyer secretly changes SAP delivery dates so favored vendors avoid late penalties.
Smart auditors just pull back and change log reports, catch the manipulator, and calculate the exact cheated penalty.
The big takeaway? A rate contract guarantees your price, but a scheduling agreement guarantees peace of mind.
Before we wrap up, ask yourself, how do you detect a ghost vendor hiding in your master data?